What's up, YouTube? I'm back. The part is in, and right now we're going to install tonneau cover, which is in this box. Got it on Amazon. Wasn't Prime, unfortunately, or I would have done this sooner. But it's from Tiger. Don't know. Really just want the tonneau cover because the truck needs it. Although it does say 6-foot short box on the top, which I'm hoping they mean that because the truck's not as wide as a full size, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna unbox it. So, got my utility knife. Neat little bit here for opening up boxes when it works right, but yeah, not the sharpest. Oh, jeez. That is all rust. Makes sense. But it still cuts. Oh. Now I have all the tape except for one side cut. Let's go ahead and open this and see what we get. Whew. That was heavy and big. Probably should save the box. But so far, I'm impressed with how well it's packed. Like, I honestly didn't know what to expect, but instructions. Looks good. Looks good so far. Comes in a giant bag. It's actually really nice quality packing. Though the bag is ripping at the seams. So I'll see you again once I get this out. Okay, I've got half out now, but all I can say is I'm impressed with quality of packaging, and so far it's really good. I don't see any issues besides styrofoam residue, but it's been packed with a little bit of foam in between. This actually was up here before I ripped the styrofoam out, but it's really quite nice. Let's get the rest of it out. Well, guys, I've got it out. That didn't take any time at all. It's super simple, and everything is really nicely put together after looking it through. Just no issues at all. I probably shouldn't be resting it like this, but I'm going to trust it for the few seconds it takes me to come over here, grab the foam to fix this edge that butts up against the rest of the cab, as it's lower than everything else. This is everybody who has a coma knows. But I grab little brackets I'm not sure I'll need because of the mounting rails, as well as the instructions, and put this thing on. It's fairly simple. I'm not going to go through it. So, as I was saying earlier, this is going to take a while to ship. And here's actually part of the reason why. They go through and make sure that all the parts are in there, I guess. Because in blue ballpoint pen, it says rear weather strip in there, tool, as well as the brackets for Toyota. I don't know, I find that pretty neat that they actually go through and repackage it, making sure that it's all right and whatnot. Because I assume this is built in China, but no idea. But it's really nice. And they show you all the positions. The instructions are really simple. Maximum weight capacity, 300. I'm good to stand on it. A couple of my friends aren't. But really, really simple. I'm liking this company. So what I'm doing right now is, you can see how dirty top is compared to over there, because I'm wiping it so that the adhesion works how it's supposed to on a clean surface with not so many particles as it's been down here in the barn with all the sawdust. But You can tell it's actually pretty dirty if I unfold this. Like, not great. But now I can put on this, since just a dab of water makes it dry really quickly, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so it actually didn't take me as long as I thought it would to line it up, because that's the one thing I heard from everybody, is that tonneau covers, horrible to line up. But this actually went on pretty well. So, as you can see, hard. I've got the brackets from KB Voodoo, which I could actually lower, but then I have the third light issue. But it actually went together pretty well. I had to adjust the rack a little bit just to get the right spacing. But as you can tell when I turn on the party lights in the bed, everything is fairly well sealed. Could probably use a little bit on the sides, as it's not adjusted or have anything to do with the brackets. In the center though, it's fine. It's as soon as you get to the brackets that you can see the light coming through. But in the front it actually looks pretty good, as I have the little bit of foam that came with the truck, or the cover, to protect that, since that is so much lower than everything else. So I can turn this off. Turn it off. Close it up. It's not perfectly sealed because of the rack having that little bump, but it's at the point where it's good enough. I can always add in some extra little foam. I'm going to put my tools away and be done for the night. Take care. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up with any questions you have about doing this, like cost, anything like that. I'll probably, once the truck is more finished with my build plan, go over cost and all that jazz.